You ready for a road trip?
To where?
La Cretia. It's French.
Lacrete?
Yeah!
Dude. God damn it.
Alright, but more importantly, why are we going to La Crete?
Why are we going to Lacrete?
We're going to La Crete in a blizzard, which is 8 hours away,
You said 6! God damn it!
to get a new dog rescued from a family that could no longer take care of it. Yeah!
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol, okay.
I never watched Paw Patrol, I just thought it'd fit.
Snow's starting to pick up a little. Knew it was gonna come. Oh, we're stopping to get gas in, I don't know where we are. Road's been okay. We've been doing pretty good. Joey's out there, pumping my gas for me. Say hi to the folks, Joey.
Hey.
Right now it is minus 27, and that is without wind chill. So with the wind chill, it's probably minus 30 something right now. Joey's freezing. I'm freezing. I'm inside though, so I'm not freezing as much as him, of course, but minus 27, not including wind chill. And the snow is blowing sideways if you look closely, so there's a lot of wind. Okay. Still, on our way to pick up the newest member of my family. Alright guys, so we successfully we adopted Rev. By we I mean me, but meet the newest member to my family. This is Rev. Oh my god, you love the camera. You're such a good boy, Rev. Good boy, Rev.